Hello viewers, today I'll show you a very simple, almost forgotten Bengali vegetarian recipe called Bandhakopir Mishti Dalna, which is a dry sweet cabbage curry. For this recipe, I'll be using one small white cabbage that I have sliced up, a handful of fresh grated coconut, 3 sliced green chilies, 1 teaspoon black mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon haldi powder, 1 tablespoon maida dissolved in milk. Let's add 3 tablespoons of oil in a pot. Add the mustard seeds into the pot and let them pop. Then add the sliced cabbage into the pot. Fry the cabbage for 2 minutes. Add salt to draw out the water from the cabbage and give it a good mix. Then add the haldi or turmeric powder into the pot and mix it in. Then cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, take the lid off and add the grated coconut and the green chilies into the pot. Give the pot a good stir. To mix everything together. Then add a bit of water to make sure everything cooks nicely. Give it a mix. Cover and cook for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, take the lid off. You can see that the cabbage is tender. It is time to add the milk and maida mixture into the pot. Stir fry till the milk is completely absorbed into the cabbage. Then add 2 teaspoons of sugar into the pot and give it a mix. Sprinkle a bit more of the grated coconut and our lovely Bandhakopir Mishti Dalna is ready. Let's plate up our dry sweet cabbage curry. Garnish with a bit more freshly grated coconut and serve this simple sweet cabbage curry with boiled rice or with chappatis for a quick lunch or dinner. This recipe requires the minimum of effort but tastes rather delicious. Give it a try and enjoy.